Hello everyone. Let us try to have another geotechnical engineering and hydraulics board problem. This is now our board problem number 10. Let us now start solving a board problem. For our board problem in this session, this problem was actually administered during the May 2022 Civil Engineering Licensure Examination. And this is the problem. What is the friction angle resistance of the soil when the coefficient of passive resistance is 4? And as shown below are our choices. A, 53.13 degrees, B, 30 degrees, C, 60 degrees, letter D, 36.87 degrees. And now, in order to solve for this problem, what do we need is the utilization of the formula for the coefficient of passive resistance. And as we can see, the formula is K sub P equals 1 plus sine theta over 1 minus sine theta, wherein K sub P stands for the coefficient of passive resistance, while theta is the friction angle. And now, we can actually start solving the problem. Given this formula of coefficient of passive resistance, K sub P equals 1 plus sine theta over 1 minus sine theta, let us do now the direct substitution. We have a value for K sub P, and I think in the given is 4, and then we are actually looking for the friction angle. Right after the direct substitution, we have now our equation as 4 equals 1 plus sine theta over 1 minus sine theta. Let us now simplify the given equation. I guess the best thing to do is to cross-multiply the denominator 1 minus sine theta to the left-hand side of our equation with the number 4. Coming up next, after the cross-multiplication, we have now our equation as 4 times the open and close parenthesis of 1 minus sine theta equals 1 plus sine theta. And then also, as we can see in this equation, we can actually distribute 4 to its term of 1 minus sine theta at the left-hand side of our equation to make the equation much better and simplified. And as we continue, this is now our working equation. 4 minus 4 sine theta equals 1 plus sine theta. So what we will do now, as we can see the 1 at the right hand side of our equation, we can transpose it to the left and change its sign. And as well as the negative 4 sine theta at the left hand side of the equation, we can transpose it to the right side to make its sign as positive. So let's do it now. And now, after doing that, our equation becomes 4 minus 1 equals sine theta plus 4 sine theta. Still, we have to simplify the equation. Afterward, our equation now becomes 3 equals 5 sine theta. In continuing the solution process, we have now sine theta equals 3 over 5. And now we have the value of theta as inverse sine 3 over 5. Finally, the value of theta is equal to 36.87 degrees. Therefore, our friction angle is equal to 36.87 degrees, and our answer is letter D. Thank you very much, and God bless us all.